it's me, Gelli from 831. So now I'm going to talk to you guys about additive equations. So n plus 2 equals 6. The first thing I would do is isolate the variable, which is -2. You box it out and then cancel it by because there are 0 pairs. The second thing I would do next is balance it out by doing the same thing to the other side. So it looks like that, and you solve it. So it's 6 minus 2 equals 4, so n equals 4, and that's how you solve it in written form. So now I'm going to explain how to solve the same additive equation by using algebra tiles. The first thing you need to do is show the equation by using algebra tiles. So the green one represents n, the two small ones squares represents positive 2, and the 6 other ones represents positive 6. The next step is to isolate the variable and box it out and cancel them out because there are 0 pairs. After, you need to balance it out by doing the same on the other side. The final step is showing what is left, which is n equals 4. So in other words, it's the answer. So now you know how to solve an additive equation by using algebra tiles. Next, I'm going to explain how to solve a subtractive equation in written form. The question we are working with is n minus 3 equals 7. The first step you need to do is isolate the variable, which is positive 3. You then box it up because minus 3 and positive 3 are 0 pairs. The second thing I would do next is balance it out by doing the same thing to the other side. You solve 7 plus 3, and so it equals positive 10. And now you're done. Simple as that. Next, you solve the same subtractive equation using algebra tiles. Tiles. So first thing you have to do is show the equation by using algebra tiles. So what you see now represents that. Next, then second step is isolating the variable. Then you bounce it out by doing the same thing to the other side, but you don't cancel anything. You add 3 positives inside. Next, I'm going to show you what else left, which is n positive 10, and that's how you solve it in algebra tiles and subtractive equations. Okay guys, next up I'm going to talk to you guys and explain about an multiplicative equation. First thing you need to do is isolate the variable by dividing 3 with 3, then you're left with n. The second thing you do is balance it out, so you do the same thing to the other side. 6 divided by 3 equals 2, and so that's how you solve it. And okay, after we do the same equation by using algebra tiles, first off you need to show the equation by using algebra tiles, so it will look like that. Second step is equally group them to 3 groups shared equally. You circle them too. Next and last, you show n equals 2 to show the right answer, and you're done. Next and last, I'm going to talk to you guys about division equation using written form. The next equation is n divided by 2 equals 4. The first thing you do is isolate the variable. You do that by dividing 2 by 2, then you are left with n. Second, you balance it out. So you do the same thing to the other side. You multiply 4 to 2, and so it equals to 8. So you're left with an answer of n equals 8. It's that easy. Okay, now we're going to talk about solving the question by using algebra tiles again. Okay, next up, first off, show the equation by using algebra tiles. Next, you show that you isolate the variable by dividing 2 with 2. You balance it out by multiplying 4 to 2, then your answer is left with n equals. Okay, so I'm done, and that's how you do it. I know it's kind of confusing, so I'm sorry. So I hope you like my movie. Okay, bye!